Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Google Merchant Center restoration case study where the account was suspended for healthcare and medicine. Now, there can be many reasons why your Google Merchant Center account is suspended. Misrepresentation from one of the most famous. The second is website or online store needs improvement. The third is, uh, you know, uh, 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 counterfeit products. The fourth can be pharmaceutical error, just like this one. So there can be many reasons or many errors why Google Merchant Center account is suspended. And once it's suspended for either of the thing, it requires a complete overview, overmap before it's getting restored. So this is another case over here which came for us, where the account was suspended for. Let me show you the exact one, and then you can have a clear cut idea. The account is suspended for forbidden pharmaceuticals or products making misleading claims, healthcare and medicines, forbidden items, healthcare and medicines. So, healthcare and medicine forbidden items, Google forbids the promotion of healthcare related content such as unapproved pharmaceutical and supplements, pregnancy and fertility related products, sexual enhancement treatments. So there are various reasons why, your Google Merchant Center account, which was running, went into suspension. Now, but this is a website, and this is an approved website. So there are few of the ways through which you can keep it running. Is one of the way is also the compliance is important and necessary. And if you are promoting a product which requires a medical prescription or certification, you need to follow those rules as well. Now, over here, what we did over here was we removed one, but the other one needs an alteration in their images product description, because the product description was wrongly labeled over here. So the issue was the wrong description and the wrong image was being uploaded, which made the Google system confused. So what we did was we made it compliant with it, but during the process, because now Google has suspended it for one error, we had to go through with all of the errors. We look for robots.txt file, we look for the Google Search Console error, we look on the website for the compliance and all of the things, before getting approved. And still some products had an issue, but we optimize their descriptions, the headlines in our Merchant Center feed to make it an approved one. Let me show you the approved account over here. So you can see now this is an approved account. Still 6 products are approved and 10 are not approved, you may see, but the notification error, the suspension error is not over here. I'm going to show you that as well. You may see around over here. This is an image we got. You can verify the customer ID as well, and we got a dear Google Center recast wellness. The requested review of forbidden pharmaceuticals or products making misleading claim has been completed, and the issue no longer appears in your account. So you may see around over here. This is an approved and running, which is very important with the client, because the client wanted to run their ads, and that was causing an issue. You may see around over here the suspension requests for quite a time over here. You may see around over here, and the products now slowly getting approved over here. And you may see around the products which are still not yet approved are these one. For this, you may see around and look around on the product is this is some no 04 found error, not an error which was for the pharmaceutical claim, but this is a hosting error. So you may see around this needs an optimization, and this is for the request website check to get it available. The product page unavailable error. So yeah, apart from this, the products which are approved and running, you may see around over here. The other products like this are approved and running. The products which have not running are due to the landing page. You may see around over here. I'm going to show you that the product page are not available, otherwise it's fine. So yeah, this is a successful Google Merchant Center case restoration case study. And if anyone needs a professional help either in the GMC or Google Ads distributable suspension, or primarily what we do is Google Ads and GMC management, as we are a Google Ads partner company. So in case if you need that, or even after the suspension removal being fixed, majority of the companies get into suspension again, because the compliance is very important, which we do. If you hire us for monthly management, we're going to make sure that your account stays compliant with no issues at all, and we help you in sorting out all of the policies. When you add new products, everything is being managed by me and my team. So yeah, I hope you like this case study, and we look forward working with you as your next Google partner. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.